Super. Eva, thank you very much for this presentation. And then we will continue with Lazar Radovanovic of Siemens Energy on steam turbine portfolio applications in waste incineration plants. There, you need to unmute yourself, Lazar.
It's here, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you now hear me and see me? Yeah.
Now
Okay.
we hear you and see
Hello.
you.
Yeah. Hello. Hi to everybody. Yeah, I'm coming from company Siemens Energy. I will try to present you the part of the portfolio of our company which is related to the steam turbine technologies, which can be utilized in the applications that have been discussed throughout the day here today. So I will start the presentation and share my screen, and after that, please feel free to stop me anytime during the presentation. We can discuss whatever point you like, and I will try to keep it short and simple to respect the timing of our hosts and
That's
organizer
it.
of the conference. Yes, and once again, thank you very much for the opportunity to contribute to this important conference. So yeah, I have started. Just confirm me that you can see my screen.
Yeah, we see your screen.
Good. So basically, as you all already may know, that Siemens Energy is one of the largest steam turbine manufacturers in the world, particularly in Europe. We have many steam turbine manufacturing, R&D, and other engineering sites. Gerlitz is, for example, one of the industrial steam turbine manufacturing facilities. We also have one in Brno, which is for the scaling of the incineration plants or these industrial scale plants. Basically, in these two factories, we are manufacturing all of the portfolio that I will be presenting today, but we are building a lot more steam turbine types than what is here presented. Wide, I would say, picture of the locations that we are present in the world, only for the industrial steam turbine legacy or portfolio. We are, of course, present in almost every country in the world with various businesses. This is just one of the businesses that we are doing. So let's focus today on the industrial steam turbines in the applications of the power generation. We will not be discussing mechanical drives today. So the portfolio of our company and the projects that we are mainly focused on are basically coming from two legacies that we encounter within our company. The Dresser-Rand legacy, since now almost 8 years, we have fully integrated within our company to fill the gap for the very small steam turbines, and these are industrial applications very important for the biomass, waste to energy, and some of the combined heat and power applications. And with the Siemens legacy of the industrial steam turbines, which basically means that we are splitting them into industrial and heavy duty in a scale where industrial steam turbines are being built in a single cage, so with a single casing. So we don't have split cases for the HP, IP, and the LP turbine. So this is what we consider to be industrial steam turbines, and we are building them up to 250 megawatts. The applications itself that we are following in the market are usually consist out of pure power generation, and typically industries have requests or requirements for the process steam. So lots of steam turbines have a possibility of the steam extraction and the actual application. We are also willing to support our customers and partners and design companies into early development stage, and we are trying to contribute with our experience to provide the best fit for what is requested. Basically, we are focused on the high efficient turbines, and we are, I can proudly say, leaders in the market. Sorry. More on the applications, I believe that the biomass and maybe waste to energy are the most important for this conference, and we have done lots of projects in this area in last couple of years in different scales. We can also discuss if there is interest about use cases or the reference projects. We are doing also lots of business in traditionally oil and gas industry, which requires lots of process steam, and lots of drives in this industry are with the steam turbine. But let's focus on power generation in this conference. So as I'm located in Serbia and working as a business development for the Southeast Europe, we also did several biomass and pulp and paper, also oil and gas and waste heat utilization in Serbia. So similar projects. It's not a waste to energy, but a waste heat utilization where the customers have pressure reduction stations and similar. So we have utilized them to actually we utilize the energy there and provide them the megawatts. Basically, as you all already know, steam turbine as a equipment, as an engine, has been developed many decades ago, and but we still find a place for the improvement, even though the technology is more or less known. So we are really trying to bring more, to improve efficiency, to provide a better response in the load requirements, and to prolong the life cycle. Everything what we do, we also trying to reduce the CO2 footprint and to provide a high reliability to our customers. So the performance optimization is very important for our company, because we find it as a place where the improvements always can come. Not to speak in details about the factory itself. Maybe I can show you another slide where just to see, where I have some reference projects on the steam turbines themselves. So the models have been shown in one of the slides, and not to go in details through every model itself, but for example, the SST200 we have which can have different power output depending on the application. That's why it's very important to have the early engagement in your projects and to understand the requirements. We can give a different power output. So for example, in Serbia we have a 10 megawatt application for the biomass plant with this unit, but this unit may be also interested for the people in this conference, because we have a waste to energy plant in UK, operated now more than 10 years with 25 megawatts power output. So maybe you know about it, or somebody here is from the plant. I'm not sure, but this is, I would say, one important one important reference project for this conference. So yeah, try to be brief. Maybe if you have some questions to make a break or to close it here.
Yeah, any direct questions? You can also put them in the chat. You still have 3 minutes. If you want to maybe ask some questions. So, but then thank you very much. So if some questions are popping up, we can also
yes, please feel free to reach out to any of our colleagues. We'll be more than happy to support.
Yeah, also I think yeah, if you have any questions later after this conference, you can drop us an email and then we will forward the contact to
yes,
to Lazar. Yeah,
okay,
wonderful.
thank you all very much.